Ultravation, excellence in indoor air quality since 2000. Ultravation EZ UV, a simple and cost-effective solution for keeping HVAC interior surfaces mold and pathogen-free. A major contributor to poor indoor air quality and reduced HVAC efficiency is the result of the condensation that occurs as air is dehumidified and cooled in the air conditioner. This moisture creates an ideal environment for the growth of mold and other microorganisms on the HVAC system components. Since mold is one of the most common allergens, it can increase allergic reactions and aggravate other respiratory health problems. This is because a mold-infested coil generates and releases millions of mold spores into household air. A severely bioclogged coil can cause excessive air resistance, and the insulating characteristics of the biogrowth reduces the thermal efficiency of the system. The result is the air conditioner works harder, increasing energy use and accelerating wear and tear. Clogged coils and drain pans periodically require expensive chemical cleanings, which are not good for the environment. UV light is a natural disinfectant and a component of sunlight. Scientifically, UV is a part of the electromagnetic light spectrum falling just below the visible light frequencies, and the germicidal wavelength of UV light centers on 254 nanometers. UV light works as a disinfectant because it is able to penetrate cell tissue and break up cellular DNA. Most microbes are so small that typical furnace filters don't capture them. Therefore, an air filter can't keep microbes away from the moist HVAC coil or surrounding surfaces. Adding an EZ UV light disinfects the moist interior surfaces, preventing mold and microbes from colonizing. Microbes that are airborne are also given a dose of UV, which helps reduce their numbers as well. EZ UV is economical yet powerful, and versatile to fit nearly any HVAC system. EZ UV is designed to operate 24/7, keeping the air conditioner clean and operating at peak efficiency at all times, and consistently improving your indoor air quality while helping minimize your electric bill and the cost of HVAC maintenance. With the simple addition of EZ UV, your HVAC system has been converted to a system that not only cools the air, but gives you healthier air. Ultravation EZ UV for HVAC systems